Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of cooking oils. We'll explore different types of fats, their content, flashpoints, health impacts, and ultimately, find out which oil reigns supreme in the kitchen. So, grab your aprons, and let's get cooking. I'm going to talk about 5 types of common cooking oils. The video has chapters, so you can skip or view the selected chapters. Number 1, coconut oil. Number 2, olive oil. Number 3, avocado oil. Number 4, sunflower oil. Number 5, canola oil. Do not forget to watch the comparison of 2 major oils head to head around the end of the video. Let's start with the basics and the prices. Most of the time price is a major factor when it comes to choice. If we compare the prices in Australian market for 4-liter can of oil, it looks like sunflower oil is the cheapest one. Next least expensive one is canola oil. I try to stick to extra virgin canola oil even though it is bit expensive. Cooking oils are made up of different types of fats, saturated, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated. Each type has its unique properties and effects on our health. If you are deep frying, select the oils with the highest flashpoint you can afford. However, avoid deep frying as it is not a healthy option. If you look at cookbooks or cooking channels, you can find non-deep frying options. For example, rather than deep frying eggplant or brinjals, I do boil them and slightly stir fry them in olive oil or canola oil. That keeps the flavor as well as the nutrients. Wait, there is more, but do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. Saturated fats are solid at room temperature and are found in animal products and some tropical oils. They've gotten a bad rap over the years, but some recent studies suggest they might not be as harmful as once thought. But, it's still best to consume them only if you don't have another option and in moderation. Monounsaturated fats are liquid at room temperature but start to solidify when chilled. Room temperature, what scientists are talking is the temperature that is normal inside a building, neither very hot nor very cold. It is typically between 59 degrees to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees to 25 degrees Celsius. Even though coconut oil is mainly a saturated fat, it may remain as a liquid around 25 degrees Celsius. Monounsaturated fats are considered heart-healthy fats and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Olive oil is a prime example of a monounsaturated fat source. But, many plants and plant oils are high in monounsaturated fats but low in saturated fats. These include oils from olives, peanuts, canola oils, safflower oils, and sunflower oils, avocados. Source: Mayo Clinic. In Mediterranean countries, the main source is olive oil, 74 grams per 100 grams. Other sources with quantities include canola, 59 grams per 100 grams, peanut, 46 grams per 100 grams, sunflower, 32 grams per 100 grams, corn, 29 grams per 100 grams, soybean, 24 grams per 100 grams, and safflower oil, 14 grams per 100 grams. Polyunsaturated fats remain liquid at room temperature and when chilled. They include essential omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. We call them essential because our bodies can't produce those essential oil inside the body. These fats can help reduce inflammation and lower heart disease risk. Now, let's talk about smoke points. The smoke point is the temperature at which an oil starts to break down and, well, smoke. This is important because when oil reaches its smoke point, it not only tastes bad but can also produce harmful compounds. Oils with high smoke points are better for high heat cooking methods like frying and searing. Following is a list of common cooking oils with their flash points. Number 1. Coconut oil, approximately 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Olive oil, extra virgin, approximately 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Avocado oil, approximately 520 degrees Fahrenheit, 271 degrees Celsius. Number 4. Sunflower oil, approximately 440 degrees Fahrenheit, 227 degrees Celsius. Number 5. Canola oil, approximately 435 degrees Fahrenheit, 224 degrees Celsius. So, which oils should we be using? Let's break it down. Extra virgin olive oil. This is often called the king of healthy oils. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Its smoke point is around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 191 degrees Celsius, making it great for low to medium heat cooking. It's perfect for salad dressings, sautéing, and even baking. Avocado oil, with a high smoke point of about 520 degrees Fahrenheit, 271 degrees Celsius, avocado oil is excellent for high heat cooking. It's packed with monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, but it can be a bit pricey. Coconut oil. This oil is very high in saturated fat. About 90% of fat in coconut is saturated. Same apply to any product made from coconut flesh. Its smoke point is around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius. While some praise its potential health benefits, others caution against its high saturated fat content. It's best used in moderation. Canola oil, with a neutral flavor and a high smoke point of about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius, canola oil is versatile. It is also one of the cheaper options. Price is cheaper especially in regions where canola is grown. It's low in saturated fat and high in monounsaturated fat. But some worry about its processing methods. Flaxseed oil. This oil is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. But, with a very low smoke point of 225 degrees Fahrenheit, 107 degrees Celsius, it's not suitable for cooking. Use it in salad dressings or drizzle it over cooked foods. Sunflower oil, high in vitamin E and with a smoke point of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius, sunflower oil is good for high heat cooking. But, it's high in omega-6 fatty acids, which some believe we consume too much of in modern diets. Now, let's talk numbers. Extra virgin olive oil contains about 73% monounsaturated fat, 11% polyunsaturated fat, and 14% saturated fat. Avocado oil is similar, with about 70% monounsaturated fat. Coconut oil, on the other hand, is about 90% saturated fat. When it comes to omega-3 to omega-6 ratios, flaxseed oil takes the cake with a ratio of 1:0.3. Compare that to sunflower oil, which has a ratio of 1:65. Canola oil is a good source of the ALA omega-3 fatty acid and its ratio of 2:1 of omega-6 to omega-3 is nutritionally ideal. The omega-6 to omega-3 ratio in olive oil is typically around 10:1. This is because olive oil contains about 10% linoleic acid, which is an omega-6 oil, and less than 1% omega-3 oil. A lower ratio is generally considered better for health. So, what's the best oil for cooking? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on what you're cooking and your health goals. But, if we had to crown a champion, extra virgin olive oil would be a strong contender. Extra virgin olive oil is versatile, healthy, and backed by a ton of research. It's rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown it can help lower the risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. But, don't just take our word for it. The Mediterranean diet, which is heavy on olive oil, is consistently ranked as one of the healthiest diets in the world. People who follow this diet tend to live longer and have lower rates of chronic diseases. That said, it's always a good idea to have a variety of oils in your kitchen. Use extra virgin olive oil for low to medium heat cooking and salad dressings. Keep some avocado or refined olive oil on hand for high heat cooking. And maybe keep a bottle of flaxseed oil in the fridge for omega-3 boost in your smoothies or salads. Remember, while choosing the right oil is important, it's just one part of a healthy diet. The key is balance. Use oils in moderation, and focus on eating a variety of whole, unprocessed foods. Here are some quick tips for using cooking oils. Store your oils in a cool, dark place to prevent them from going rancid. Don't reuse or reheat oils, especially after frying. When oil starts to smoke, it's time to toss it and start over. For high heat cooking, choose oils with high smoke points like avocado, refined olive oil, or sunflower oil. See the link above for head-to-head comparison of olive oil with canola oil for salad dressings and low heat cooking. Go for flavorful oils like extra virgin olive oil or walnut oil. Cooking with healthy oils can be a game changer for your health. They can help you absorb nutrients from other foods, keep you feeling full, and even make your food taste better. But, like all good things, moderation is key. All oils are calorie dense, with about 120 calories per tablespoon. So include them in your cooking in moderation. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe. On the screen, you see a few videos related to cooking and health. Thanks very much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.